Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered what ChatGPT is and why everyone's talking about it? If you're new to AI, don't worry. I'm here to make it simple. In this video, I'll explain what ChatGPT is, how it works, and 3 easy ways you can start using it right now. Let's dive in. Part 1. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI tool designed to generate human-like text. It's based on a technology called GPT, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. This means it's trained on tons of text data to help it answer questions, write essays, explain ideas, and so much more. Think of it as your helpful virtual assistant, always ready to lend a hand. Part 2. How does ChatGPT work? ChatGPT works by predicting the next word in a sentence based on the input it receives. It analyzes patterns in text and uses that knowledge to create responses. For example, if you ask it to explain a topic or solve a problem, it uses its training to generate a clear and helpful answer. It's like having a super smart conversation partner who never gets tired of helping. Part 3. How can you use ChatGPT? ChatGPT can do so many things like writing emails, essays, or even creative stories, answering questions on almost any topic. The best part? You can use it for free or with a paid plan that unlocks even more features. 3 action items to start using ChatGPT. 1. Sign up for free. Visit OpenAI's website and create a free account to access ChatGPT. 1. It's quick and easy to start. 2. Try it out. Experiment with simple questions or tasks, like asking it to summarize a topic or suggest ideas for a project. 3. Explore advanced features. If you find it useful, consider upgrading to access more tools and capabilities. Conclusion: ChatGPT is an incredible tool that can save you time, spark creativity, and make learning fun. By understanding how it works and giving it a try, you'll see how powerful it can be in your daily life. So, which action item will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who'd love to learn about ChatGPT. See you next time.